Want to know how to automate Trello? You would want to automate Trello, as with automation you can set up rules to maintain consistent workflows across different boards and teams. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to automate Trello. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open any browser on your device. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Now tap on the search bar and search for Trello.com and you will be redirected to your profile. Then tap on the arrow button at the top left corner of your screen. Now under board section at the end, you will have to select a board where you want to create automation. After selecting a board, tap on the lightning bolt icon. Here in the menu, you can see various options such as rules, buttons, emails, report, and send feedback option. Likewise, tap on the rules option at the top. Furthermore, tap on the create automation button. Then tap on the add trigger button at the bottom to create a rule. Here you will get to customize your rules. Finally, after customizing the rule, tap on the Save button. So this is how you can automate Trello. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.